Bridget is saying, is there any option for a fast VAWA case? The VAWA, it takes a long time, but you get immigration benefits right away, almost right away. So within a couple of months after you apply for VAWA, you will receive what's called a prima facie determination, which is kind of like a pre-approval of your case. That's your first immigration benefit, other than the fact that your VAWA is just even received with the government. Because you have a VAWA application pending, or perhaps a VAWA and a green card application pending, you already have some kind of application with the government. So that alone will let you kind of be here, quote unquote, legally, right? So you're not going to be deported if you have something pending, you have an application pending. So that's the fastest point of a benefit, of an immigration benefit that you're receiving just by filing some kind of application. You want it to be truthful, you want it to be accurate, you don't want to just file something frivolously, but you get a benefit just by filing this application, because now you have some kind of basis for remaining in the US, right? So if you're afraid of removal, this might be, if you qualify, of course, this might be something to consider. Then, a couple of months after you apply, you get a prima facie determination, which can be used to get some public benefits, which can be used to get a driver's license. So if you qualify, that's another huge benefit that happens very quickly. You also, in a few months after that, can be eligible for and receive work authorization and travel authorization. So that's within 6 months, right? Work and travel authorization. And that's what most people want when they're applying for a green card. They want to be able to work in the US, they want to be able to live permanently in the US, they want to be able to travel in and out without any issues. So you're going to get all those usually within 6 months or so of being in the US, right? But of course, we want your VAWA to be approved. That can take a year and a half. Okay, and if you're applying for VAWA and green card together, it could take 2.5 years. Yes, that all takes a long time, but your benefits start coming very quickly. So that's something you want to think about, and that's something that you are going to start benefiting from if you qualify, if everything is truthful, if you qualify. So call us and see if you're eligible. Like, what are you waiting for? If you don't have a work permit and you want to be able to move around the US legally, if you want to be able to leave, go visit your family, and you qualify for something like this, a VAWA or an adjustment of status green card, you might be able to do all that within months, right? So if you want to talk more about what you might be eligible for, give us a call. That's what our consultations are for. What we're doing is talking to you about your immigration history, talking to you about the full process for VAWA or whatever else you might be eligible for. And we'll walk you through step by step to tell you exactly what you can expect and everything that's involved. Okay? And the consultations are with me. I'm an immigration lawyer. We help hundreds of clients all throughout the United States and abroad in all types of immigration issues. So I'd love to chat with you more about your immigration case. Give us a call. You can reach us 703-348-1663. And of course,